tuteeko mu ngalo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Era n'okwebaza abo abasobodde okudduukirira omulamwa gw'olunaku olwaleero.
Today's run is more than a sporting activity. It is a symbol of discipline, resilience, teamwork, determination. It's values that define our armed forces and our nation.
In 2019, a group of young people, including Honorable Frank Muhoozi, Honorable Daudi Kabanda, and Honorable Lilian Abel, convinced me to share these occasions with the public. Through further encouragement of my good friend Andrew Mwenda, these celebrations have now been transformed into a routine. Today they serve a higher purpose, mobilizing young Ugandan for patriotic causes. I therefore wish to extend my gratitude to everyone who has supported this idea.
Happy birthday to our great comrade
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.